Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily disconnect your JBL Partybox On The Go 2 from your Android device. So, at first you need to go to the settings, and now once you're in the settings, tap Connect Devices. Here tap this gear icon, and now you need to tap this Connect button. Now you're disconnected from our speaker. To connect this back again, tap Connect over here or go back and tap your device in the Save Devices list. Of course, if the connection doesn't go automatically. And that's how it works. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye. Have a nice day.